Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Kamran and I'm your IELTS instructor. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the speaking module. But before starting the class, I just want to need your introductions. You may give your brief introductions one by one. Okay, starting from you.
Hi, this is Miss Sana. I'm from Khaya, Gujarat, and I have done my FSC from Punjab College. And I'm enrolled in ICRA University for becoming a doctor. And my goal is to serve the humanity.
Okay, thanks. That's great.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amber Khan. I belong from Hassan Abdal. My residency in Islamabad. Islamabad is a beautiful city in the whole world.
Okay.
And my basic study from Karachi. And right now I'm join Fillmore Institute, learn English language because I want to go UK. And that's why I want to learn English language.
Okay, great. Please, you may introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you so much for providing this opportunity. I am Abdur Rahman. First, I would like to talk about my hometown. My hometown is City Lala Musa, Tehsil Khariya District, Gujarat, Punjab, Pakistan. Now, talk about my qualification. I had MS Master of Science in Mathematics from Comsat University. My future goal is to become a PhD doctor. For this, I am joining Fillmore Academy of International Language to prepare my IELTS to secure admission in well-known university overall in the world.
Okay.
My name is Shera Mari. I am from Balochistan, but currently I living in Islamabad from higher education. I read in ninth class. My goal is a doctor.
Okay, perfect.
Hello everyone, this is Shazib. I basically belong from Bannu, KPK, and now I reside in Islamabad. I do my matrix in Minhas College G72, and I complete last year my graduation in Islamabad Open University. So I decided to become a safety officer. So I decided to enroll English language from this institute, Fillmore Academy.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Nasir. I came here for the IELTS preparation in Fillmore Academy, and I'm pursuing my work to Canada. So IELTS is mandatory for that. So I mean these days I am trying to complete my IELTS study.
Okay. So you gave the good introductions to all of us because you might have you don't have interactions with each other, so that's why introduction is compulsory and mandatory in your first class. As you know that IELTS, those who want to do the IELTS, if you want to perform well in the IELTS test, you might have a little bit knowledge about the IELTS. Actually, IELTS is an international English language testing system. So if you go abroad for work purpose or if you want to go for the study, you can go with the help of the IELTS test. So IELTS test has 4 modules. You might have knowledge about the 4 modules: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But every person has their own opinion. They are thinking that the speaking module is quite difficult because they don't have the environment where they can improve their communication skill. So that's why mostly people want to join the institute to improve their communication skill. So for that purpose, we arrange the classes for who want to go abroad or for the work permit. So if you want to get who want to go abroad or for the work permit. So if you want to get the good band in the IELTS test, you have to speak well, but the examiner may judge and may assess the few things in your speaking skill. For example, the fluency and coherency. What does it mean, the fluency? If you are speaking fluently, it means you're speaking fluently. If it has the coherency, what does it mean, the coherency? Coherency means If you are speaking, for example, you spoke one topic, if the previous topic is not connected with the next topic, it means you are not coherent. You are speaking fluently, but you are not coherent. So that's why the examiner may assess the first things, fluency and coherency. These matter a lot, and also this factor contribute 25%. It's very necessary for, especially for the academic. If you want to get admission into one of the renowned university in the world, then you have to become fluent and coherent. The second, the most important thing, the lexical resources. You might have knowledge about the lexical resources. Do you have? Okay, so lexical resources means vocab. If you are using the wide range of vocab, for example, if you're saying important, instead of important, you can say imperative. For example, it is important, it is imperative. If you are using the synonym, if you're using the wide vocab, if you're using the particular vocab for the particular thing. So if you're using the variety of the vocabulary in your speaking test, you can get the good band. The second most important factor that contributes in your band score is the lexical resources. So lexical resources is very important for getting good band. Yeah, of course you may.
How we can improve lexical resources?
Of course, you can improve your lexical resources while watching the podcast, because you can see, you can watch, you can judge how he is conveying his message to you. Because if you have quite vocab, of course there are number of things, there are number of method you can improve your lexical resources, but you need to read the newspaper. And because you know that the vocab is having the wide and the variety of vocab. For example, if using the one particular word, it has number of meanings. For example, because it has the contextual meaning, it has the dictionary meanings. So each word have the number of meanings you can use in the number of ways, but it totally depends upon you. If you are communicating, for example, if you are communicating with someone else, you got confused. Yeah, I don't have the word for this particular word. For example, yesterday you asked about the got mail. So it means you have to go and search it. For example, you are talking about the tongue pus. For example, it pus on tongue. So you have to search it, because you can get, you just giving only 1 hours, not more than 1 hours. If you have free time, you can read the magazines, you can watch the podcast, you can improve your vocab as well. So the third, the most important, the grammatical range, for example, and accuracy as well. For example, you know about the subject verb agreement. For example, if you are using the singular subject and plural verb, so it means you are committing the mistake in your speaking. It may be in your writing as well. So grammatical range and accuracy matters a lot. If you're using, try to use the complex and conditional sentences, or compound sentences and compound and complex sentences in your speaking as well as for your writing. And the third, the pronunciations. Pronunciation is very important, because you know that you are going to the foreign country, they are the native speaker, they are using their